Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best digital microscope for soldering you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many digital microscope for soldering and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each digital microscope for soldering, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a digital microscope for soldering. The first thing to look for is magnification power, as you need enough zoom to clearly see small solder joints without distortion. Next, check the working distance, which allows space between the microscope lens and your circuit board for comfortable tool movement. Good lighting is also essential, so choose a microscope with adjustable LED lights to avoid glare and shadows. Make sure the display resolution is sharp enough for detailed inspection, and consider whether you need a built-in screen or computer connectivity. A sturdy stand and adjustable focus help maintain stability and precision during soldering. Lastly, think about your budget and the reliability of the brand for long-term use. Choosing wisely ensures better accuracy and comfort while working on delicate electronics. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.